Hello everybody, here I am in Bali in my hotel room about to get ready. It is our last night. Cannot believe we have been here a week already. It feels longer actually. We've had an amazing, wonderful trip, me and my mum. We are staying, as I mentioned, the Courtyard Marriott in Seminyak, and what an amazing hotel it is. It is so affordable yet so luxurious. The rooms, the service, the staff here are just impeccable. They are the most beautiful people. They make you feel so special and so welcome, and are happy to do anything to make your stay more comfortable. I couldn't recommend this hotel more. It is in a great location in Seminyak, close to all the hustle and bustle that you get in the streets, the markets, the shops, the restaurants, but still quiet enough to feel peaceful and restful and get a very good night's sleep. The beds are amazing. I'm just about to get ready, so we're going to do a quick little get ready with me in Bali. My mum and I are heading out this afternoon for some shopping, but first we're going to grab some lunch downstairs at the pool restaurant. It's just delicious food, and we're going to shop until we get exhausted and hungry for dinner, and then we will shop some more. So I want to show you the makeup routine that I've been wearing every day, well every evening in Bali. It's just a very simple makeup routine. It is so hot and humid here that wearing makeup is just pointless. In the evening, I've been doing a very simple makeup, mostly cream products, a little bit of bronzer, a little something over my eyes just to do a little bit of a sparkle, something that makes me look pretty and polished and pulled together and just very like I'm on holiday makeup. So let's begin. My face is already moisturized. I feel very plump and hydrated with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer containing SPF 15. That's this one here. I love it. I've been using it for very many years. I've spoken about it before, and it's only $20 from Priceline, and it's just amazing. I love the way it makes my skin feel so plump and hydrated. So for a base, I haven't been wearing any tinted moisturizer. Basically the moisturizer with the SPF is all I use, and then I go in with my Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I just spot conceal. So under my eyes, I'm just using the viewfinder as my mirror. So just under my eyes, down the sides of my nose, around my nose where I get redness. And that is pretty much all I have been doing. A little bit on my chin, and just a little bit in between my brows to balance out the brightness. And then I just blend out with my beauty blender. This is a Real Techniques beauty blender. It is really good actually. I would say it is just as good as the beauty blender from Sephora, but I think maybe half the price, or just a little more than half the price. I highly recommend. Just blend it out. We have had such a magical time, me and my mum. Our days have been very full. We've seen so much. We've eaten beautiful food. We've met the most beautiful, humble, kindest people ever. It's just been beautiful weather, very hot and humid, but gorgeous weather, even though it is their rainy season. Today's the only day that we had a little bit of rain. I love Bali. It is my 6th time here, I think. My mum's first time, and she is overwhelmed. She just loves it, and I think we will definitely be coming back together. Okay, so before I go in and bronze my face, I'm going to highlight with my Maybelline V-Face Duo Stick. I absolutely love this product. It is just gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit in the middle of the highest point of my cheeks, on the tip of my nose, A little bit across the bridge, a little bit on my forehead. My Cupid's bow. That should do it. And then I just blend it out with the Beauty Blender. You can use your fingers too. Fingers work. Bali is such a beautiful destination. I highly recommend coming here. It's a great girls trip. It is so affordable, yet you feel like you're living on a millionaire's budget. The food is amazing, fantastic food, really, really great restaurants, just beautiful decor, beautiful vibe. It's just 5-star all the way. The service is impeccable. You can do Bali very, very cheaply, but if you want to experience the fine dining, I highly recommend you do it. So now I'm going to bronze with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Beautiful, gorgeous bronzer from the drugstore. I have the deepest shade, and I'm basically just gonna bronze my whole face with this. It smells so good. You can build this up. It blends out beautifully. I will definitely be uploading this get ready with me video before the travel vlog. I am so excited to edit all the footage that I have of this trip. It's just going to be so cool to see it all back. I have not done any work on this trip. I have gotten my mum to film my outfits every night to create a little lookbook. I have forgotten on a couple of occasions, but hopefully I can pull something together. And I'm just so excited for you guys to see this travel vlog. I'm going to put some of that bronzer in my crease and on my eyelids as well. I went to the rice fields, I went on the Bali swing, I went to Ubud in the markets, we went to Uluwatu, to a temple. I'm also going to use the bronzer under my eye on the lower lash line. Just to take it to another level, I'm going to use my favorite product at the moment, this Shiseido Aura Dew in the shade Solar. Just dab it on my eyelid, just in the middle there, for some sparkle. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but it is the most gorgeous shimmer. Oh, I absolutely love this. I do still have some mascara on my lashes from this morning, my Lancome Monsieur Big waterproof mascara. So what I'll do is I'll just curl my lashes a little bit and then just add another layer. We went to Nusa Penida, a gorgeous island of Bali, which has the most incredible water, incredible little caves of beautiful water and beaches that feel like have never been touched by man. And so many Instagrammers take photos in those locations, and a few have died trying to take these perfect shots, falling to their deaths from such a high cliff. It was really scary to see, but I didn't dare go so close to get those shots. I think the shots I got were good enough. I wasn't going to risk my life for a shot for Instagram, no way. Tonight we're going to an Indian restaurant. It is called Sarong in Seminyak, I think, and it's supposed to be amazing. It's a 5-star Indian restaurant. My mum loves Indian. Me, I can't say that I love it because I really haven't experienced so much Indian food at all. I am going to try the butter chicken tonight, that's for sure. And apparently the vibe and the atmosphere is supposed to be incredible. Unfortunately, when you're filming with a vlog camera, it's really hard to capture the mood and vibe and atmosphere of a restaurant in the evening. The lighting just isn't adequate enough, but I will try my best. I'm going to tight line my upper rim with my Rimmel Exaggerate Eye Definer in Blackest Black. God, let's see if I can do this without a mirror. I've got to poke my eye out. I think doing this step really completes the eye. It makes your lashes look so much more thicker, like you have falsies on. I have never worn falsies. I don't even think I could put them on. And to be honest, I'm not really about that look. I'm more about a natural look. Alrighty, to tight line the lower rim, I'm going to use my Rimmel Magnifeyes in brown. This has a beautiful shimmer to it, so it's like a bronzy brown. It's a beautiful color. I love it. I must go out and buy another one. I don't know what I'm doing. I need a mirror. Just to complete the eyes, I'm going to use the highlighter again and just in the inner corners and the arches of my brows. So for my brows, I have not been using my Maybelline Brow Charmer. I have been using my e.l.f. wax pencil and then just brushing through them with my e.l.f. spoolie brush, which is on the end of my e.l.f. brow pencil. So that is all I have been doing with my brows. Very low maintenance. I just cannot be bothered. But this wax pencil just really keeps them in place. That's all I do with that, and then I just brush them up. I'm just going to put a little bit of my Becca Beach Tint in the shade Watermelon. I'm going to squeeze a small amount on my hand because a little goes a long way with this product. I'm going to warm it up on my hand. And then I am going to go in with my beauty blender, pick up all the product, and then dab it on my cheeks. I love a pinky ready blush on holiday. It just adds to the whole sun-kissed look. Just a little bit over my nose. Am I putting on too much? Am I not putting on enough? I cannot tell through this viewfinder. Let me have a look. I think that's the perfect amount. If I put more on, I'll ruin it. I'm going to leave it at that. And now for the lips, I am going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in Crème Brulee, the most beautiful pinky nudie gloss. It's just gorgeous. that is all I do. That is my holiday makeup routine. I'm going to let down my hair, and please don't be frightened if it's a mess, because holiday hair is a bit wild. There's no such thing as a hairdryer when you're in 40-degree heat every day. It's just not worth it. So basically I've been washing it and tying it in a bun or letting it air dry. But even then you just can't leave your hair down. You get so sticky and hot, you just want it away from your face. But in the hotel room now I have the aircon on and it's nice and cool. So that is my hair. I'm gonna go put on my outfit and show you the complete look. I'll be right back. So here I am, I'm all dressed and ready. We're about to leave. I'm not sure how much of my outfit you can see, but this is my dress. It's from TK Maxx. It's got a beautiful print. This dress, my friends, was $15, believe it or not. I've got my little clutch that my son got me for Christmas. I've just come inside to show you the dress in the full-length mirror. So as I was saying, this dress was only $15 from TK Maxx. It's a halter neck in this beautiful pinky print. The colors are just so pretty, and it has a beautiful slit in the middle of the neckline. I don't know if you can see it much, but it's a very long maxi dress. On my feet I'm wearing some sandals that I got from Bali. They're from here. They're just tan sandals. And that is the complete look. Here I am back outside again just to finish off my outro. Thank you so much for watching this Get Ready with me in Bali. I hope you enjoyed my little holiday makeup routine, and be sure to watch the Bali vlog coming to you soon. But for now, adios from me. I'm going out there to enjoy my last night in Bali with my mum. See you guys. Thanks for watching.